Good morning, y'all. So I hope everyone is having a good morning. I just woke up and I just wanted to do a video on the Dollar Tree skincare that I got. And I just wanted to show y'all how it works on my face. So let's get started. First, I just woke up, so I'm going to brush my teeth first. So just give me a few moments and I'll be right back. Okay, y'all. So now that that's out the way, let's go ahead and get started with the skincare. Y'all have to excuse me how I look. I know I look a mess with my bonnet on and everything, but excuse me. So the cleansing, the first thing that I got was the hydrating cleansing gel with hyaluronic acid in it. And I have combination skin, so I can get oily in my T-zone and like dry in some other areas like my cheeks and everything like that. So that's why I'm using this hydrating cleansing gel with hyaluronic acid in it, because it's good for the dry parts of my skin. So it really lathers up real good, and it feels good on my skin. It's lightweight and it feels like it's hydrating and moisturizing at the same time. Okay, so that feels pretty good and looks pretty good. Yeah. Got my face nice and clean from all the dirt and the oils and stuff. So I think I like that product. It's pretty good. For $1.25, you can't really beat that, y'all. Okay. So next I'm going to tone my face with the Dermasil AHA glycolic acid toning solution. I also got this from Dollar Tree. Dermasil. That also feels good. It's supposed to have hydrating benefits, removes dead skin, unclog pores, and leave your skin feeling smooth and refreshed. And the witch hazel in it helps to tighten, tone your skin, and the rose water provides a gentle source of hydration to soothe and calm your skin. So, yes, I think that product is pretty good for a toning product. It does give my face a little shine. Okay, so the next product is vitamin C, and you can use vitamin C on all types of skin types. It don't have to be my skin type or combination skin or anything like that. But you can use this on all types of skin type. It has an anti-aging skin repair serum, illuminates, smoothes, and recharges. And I also got this from Dollar Tree. This one is the Global Beauty Care Hydrating Serum. Well, vitamin C serum, I'm sorry. Yeah, that feels good. I like how that feels. It leaves my skin feeling moisturized, and it gives a little glow, a little shine. As you can see, my skin is glowing right up in that area. Right up in that area. Okay, and I did get this anti-wrinkle cream, just an eye. I'm using it as an eye cream. I'm not gonna put too much under my eyes, but yeah, it's just to see if it works for the, you know, the wrinkles under my eye. I'm just trying this out. I never used wrinkle cream before, but it has collagen in it and AAH. I'm not quite sure what the AAH does, but I'm just trying it out under my eyes. Okay. And then I have the Dove Beauty Cream, Face and Body Cream that I'm going to use to moisturize my face with. That's really some cream, y'all, because it's thick. But it looks like it moisturizes my face pretty good. I am glowing a little bit. And I'm also going to just for the sake of things, use the the Dove Rich Nourishment Cream also. I'm not going to put too much of this one. And y'all, all these products I got from Dollar Tree. So if you're a girl like me and try to find products on a bargain or some affordable beauty products and stuff like that, go to Dollar Tree. There's not, I mean, it's not too bad. It's not, you know, your name brand items or your more expensive brands, but it gets the job done. You just have to probably look at what you need for your skin type and buy the products that's good for your skin type. If you want to try something different, I'm just trying these products out. I probably won't get them all the time, or I might, just depending on how good my skin works with these products. But so far it looks real good. See, yeah, that Richmond Nourishing Cream, the Dove, this works real good. I can feel the moisture in my skin as rubbing it. But the last thing that I do, y'all, is I do add a little oil to my face. This is something that I do. You don't have to do this, but because I got combination skin, I can get oily in my T-zone and dry around these spots and oily on my forehead. So I just like to balance things out and just put a little bit of oil, not too much, especially around my cheeks area. Just to keep my skin moisturized throughout the day, and so it don't dry out. So I really just focus on, I mean, I put a little bit in my T-zone, but not too much. But I really just focus on my cheeks and chin area or stuff like that with the oil. And there you go, guys. That's my skincare routine for the morning, and I also do this at night. The Dollar Tree products works pretty good on my skin. If you want to try it, try it. Let me know if you already tried these products, or if you want to try them, and which ones do you want to try and which ones do you like. And just comment in the comments. Excuse me, y'all, I'm getting tongue twisted. It's early in the morning, but comment in the comments what products you like, what products you're gonna try, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.